What kind of car we got?
It's 86 Cutlass 442.
You said you had this car since you were 16?
Yeah, man.
Listen, brother, only thing I've had since I was 16 was my third son, and trust me, this car is way cooler than he is. You know what I'm saying? Listen, I know they say these Oldsmobiles are old guy cars, but you went from grandpa to big daddy on that wheelie, brother. I'll tell you right now, you were looking damn good out there.
Yeah, man, this BTR, a little 358 Brian Tooley spec short block with forced inductions, a little 76 on it. Things all in the mail, man.